How to address conformal, non-uniform, and complex lattice generation in 3DEXPERIENCE. We start by generating our own structure of lines with CATIA visual scripting, to be reused in CATIA lattice design. In this example, the lattice thickness will be driven by a specific distance law, for a gradual effect. The new lattice specification operator is now available in the design sequence editor, with CATIA lattice design as prerequisite. This operator will publish a specific lattice feature as output, to be reused for lattice generation. Here we use a list of lines, a list of radius, and published volumes, as inputs of the lattice specification. Then, we switch to CATIA lattice design application. A new lattice definition can be created from the published result of CATIA visual scripting, with an associative link. Volume, cavities, custom lattice structure and thickness, are automatically reused to generate the detailed geometry. Lattice result is also merged with surrounding volumes. This new connection between CATIA visual scripting and CATIA lattice design opens up new design perspectives. And generated lattice can be directly and natively reused in simulation or manufacturing process of the 3DEXPERIENCE.